Hi, my name is Edward Van Orden. I'm a variety expert here at PCGS, and in this video, we will be covering the Two Feathers Buffalo Nickel variety. The Two Feathers Buffalo Nickel variety, unlike most die varieties, did not come into being during the die's production, but rather during its maintenance in between striking coins. Over time, a die's surface may accumulate dirt and/or form cracks. Clash marks, which develop when the obverse and reverse dies engage without a planchet in between them, may also appear. In order to clean or smooth out the surface, the die was polished using special tools and pastes of various coarseness. When the Buffalo Nickel obverse die was polished, the innermost feather, already in low relief and hence close to the surface, was eliminated completely, leaving no trace of it whatsoever. Coincidentally, another famous variety of the series, the three-legged buffalo, was also created during the die polishing process. Sought by Buffalo Nickel enthusiasts for years, PCGS presently recognizes this variety for 28 different date and mint mark issues, each of which is attributed as Phoebestanton 401 for its respective date and mint. Considering there are a total of 64 Buffalo issues, there may yet be a few more discoveries to make of this well-meaning mistake. Thank you for watching today's video on the Two Feathers Buffalo Nickel variety. Please visit the link below for more information on variety attribution.